Hello everyone, I am going to show you how you can send work WhatsApp using reports using our application, Lead Manager Ninja. For this, go to Reports and open or create a new report accordingly. Once you open up pre-existing reports, you can modify the reports by clicking on the Edit button. Make sure your report has a lead ID column added to the report. It is mandatory to send the messages using the report feature. You can now apply filters as per your wish. You can either remove previous ones or add new filters as well. Once done, click on Done to preview the report. You can save the report and use it to send the bulk WhatsApp. For sending the messages, use the Report Bulk SMS feature of our application. Here you can select the report that you just created or modified. You can select the lead ID column that stores the ID of the records. And also you can select the phone number which you want to use for sending the messages. In case your business has multiple phone numbers that are configured with the application, all the phone numbers will be listed in this drop-down. Next, you can create or insert a pre-existing template as well. Once you insert a template and click on Send, all the users will receive the message.